In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a table to a range in Excel 2016. So I'm going to go over to my Excel spreadsheet. And if you're in my class, you're going to have a different one open. You're going to have one called 09 Customer Solution. You can do this to any spreadsheet that has a table in it. So that's why I'm using a different one. I don't have the other file on this computer. So I'm just going to pick a different file. It all works the same. This one's a small table, so it might actually work pretty well. Something you can see it happen to. So click any cell inside the table. So to get started, so we're going to put our cursor or select the cell in the table just to tell Excel that we're working in our table. Go up to the Table Tools Design tab. And in the Tools group, click Convert to Range. So in the Tools group, click Convert to Range. It's going to say, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Click Yes. So it's going to take all that information out. It's going to take these little filter groups out. It's going to leave the banding though. It's not a big deal. So the auto filter buttons are removed from the header row. And entries are sorted as they were. And then it will, if you have a subtotal row or whatever, it'll leave that there, but it just won't be part of the table anymore. And the formatting's left, but it just no longer is considered a table. And that's all there is to it.